Good morning, children. Sairam. I am your new teacher. My name is Rekha. I am going to take active English classes for you. Okay, children. Today we shall see chapter number 9 and 12. Okay. First, we shall see chapter number 9. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to use some words. That is some, any, not, much. Some, any, not, much. Using these words, we are going to answer some questions. Okay, children? Using these words, we are going to answer some questions. Okay? Shall we move? Yes. See the first question. Is there any milk? Is there any mango juice? Is there any milk? Is there any mango juice? Look at the picture. Can you see? What is there in the bottle? What is there in the bottle? Does milk. The bottle is full of milk, isn't it? So, what we have to answer? There is. So what we have to, from the question itself, we can answer. There is. So the second word comes first. So the second word comes first. That is there is, there is, and replace this word any by some. Replace this word any by some. So there is some milk, but. There is some milk, but there is not any mango juice. There is not any mango juice because the bottle is full of milk, not mango juice, isn't it? So the answer is there is some milk, but there is not any mango juice. Okay, children? From the question itself, we can answer. Isn't it? The second word that comes first here. So there is, replace this any by some. So there is some milk, but there is not any mango juice. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? Yes? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Look at the picture. What is there? What is there on the label? What is the picture there? It is a picture of some fruit, isn't it? It is a picture of some fruit. So see the question. Is there any orange juice? Is there any milk? Is there any orange juice? Is there any milk? So look at the picture. What is there in the bottle? It is the picture of orange. So there is in the bottle. What is there in the bottle? The bottle is full of orange juice, isn't it? It is orange juice. So what we have to answer? There is some orange juice. So replace this any by some. So there is some. Replace this any by some. Some orange juice, but there is not any milk because there is no milk, isn't it? So there is some orange juice, but there is not any milk. There is not any milk. Here there is, but there is, here we have to put not. There is not any milk, isn't it? There is some orange juice. Replace this any by some. There is some orange juice, but there is not any milk. Okay, children? Can you understand how to answer? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Look at the picture. What do you see? Can you guess? See the question. Is there any chalk? Is there any bread? Is there any chalk? Is there any bread? Look at the picture. What is there in the box? What is there in the box? Can you guess? It is a bread? No, it is a chalk. The box is full of chalk. So it is not a bread. So what we have to answer? Try it. There is. So here there is. Replace this any by some. Replace this any by some. There is some chalk. What we have to put here? But there is not. Here what we have to put? Not. But there is not any bread. Because there is no bread. Isn't it? It is a chalk. It is a box of chalk. So what we have to answer? There is some chalk, but there is not any bread. Is it clear, children? There is some. Replace this any by some. There is some chalk because, but there is not any bread. Okay, children, we should not replace this any because there is no bread. Isn't it? There is no bread. So we have to put this any as it is. So there is not any bread. Okay, children? Is it clear? Yes. Is there any chalk? From the question itself we can answer. There is. Replace this any by some. That is, there is some chalk, but there is not any bread. We should not replace this any by some because there is no bread. Isn't it? There is no bread. So we should not replace this any by some. Okay. So the answer is there is some chalk, but there is not any bread. Is it clear, children? Like that. Can you finish the remaining sentences? Yes. So finish the remaining sentences and answer the remaining questions. Okay, children, look at the picture. See to that what is there in the picture and then carefully answer the questions. Okay. You have to replace this any by some and you should not replace this any by some. Okay, children, because there is no, here there is no bread. Okay, children. Similarly, can you do? Yes. The next one is, how much milk is there? How much milk is there? So in the first row there are 3 bottles. Isn't it? In the first row there are 3 bottles. So how much milk is there in the bottles? It is a full bottle, isn't it? So it is full of milk. So what we have to answer? There is a lot of milk. There is a lot of milk. Okay, children? There is a lot of milk. And see, in the next row, there are 2 bottles. How much milk is there? How much milk is there, children? There is some amount of milk. Isn't it? Not that much. Isn't it? It is only half of the bottle and it is less than half of the bottle. So, some amount of milk is there. Isn't it? So, how to answer? There is not much milk. There is not much milk. Okay, children? There is not much milk because some amount of milk is there. So, how to answer? There is not much milk. Is it? Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one is, see the last bottle. How much milk is there? It is an empty bottle. Isn't it? Look at the picture. It is an empty bottle. So, how much milk is there? How to answer? There is no milk. Isn't it? So, how to answer? There is not any milk. There is not any milk. Okay, children, there is not any milk. Okay, in the first row, It is full of milk. So what we have to answer? There is a lot of milk. There is a lot of milk. In the second row, only some amount of milk is there. So how to answer? There is not much milk. There is not much milk. Isn't it? And the last one is, it is an empty bottle. So there is no milk. So how to answer? There is not any milk. There is not any milk. Is it clear, children? Yes? Shall we see one more example? Yes, the next one is, how much water is there? How much water is there? Look at the picture. There are some glasses of water. Isn't it? The first row, how much water is there? It is full of water. It is, isn't it? The glasses is full of water. So how to answer? There is a lot of water. There is a lot of water. And the next one is, not so much water is there. Not much. Only some amount of water is there. So how to answer? There is not much water. There is not much water. Okay, children, there is not much water. The last one is, it is also an empty glass. So how to answer? There is not any water. There is not any water. Okay, children, there is not any water. Okay, if you see full of water, how to answer? There is a lot of water. There is a lot of water. Then if you see some amount of water, then how to answer? There is not much water. There is not much water. If you see an empty glass, then what will you answer? There is not any water. There is not any water. Can you understand, children? It is very easy, no? Yes? So the remaining will be home assignment for you. Okay? The remaining questions will be home assignments for you. So finish that. Okay, children? Shall we move? Yes. The next one is chapter number 12. Chapter number 12. We are going to use the word cannot. Cannot. Isn't it? Usually we say can't. I can't. Isn't it? While writing what we will write, cannot. Isn't it? Cannot. Using this, we are going to complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Look at the picture. What is there in the picture? A boy. Isn't it? He is a boy. What he says, I can't see anything. What he says, I can't see anything. Isn't it? What he says, I can't see anything. Now, what we will say about him? What we will say about him? This I becomes he. So what we will say? He cannot see anything. Isn't it? He cannot see anything. So this I becomes he. If he is boy, then we should put he. We should use he. Okay, children, what the boy says, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Then what we will say about him? He cannot see anything. Isn't it? This I become he. He cannot see anything. Okay, children? Is it clear? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. The next one. See the picture. What is there in the picture? There is a car and a person inside the car. Isn't it? A person is inside the car. That is in the driver place. So what he says, I can't stop. He says, I can't stop. So what we will say about him? He cannot stop. He cannot stop. So the I becomes he. So the word I becomes he. Okay, children. What does the person says in the car? I can't stop. I can't stop. What we will say about him? He cannot stop. He cannot stop. So the I becomes he, and can't. Usually we are writing cannot. What is cannot? He cannot stop. Okay, children. Shall we move? Yes. The next one is, look at the picture. What do you see? Girl is trying to carry the bag, isn't it? A small girl is trying to carry the bag. So what she says? I can't carry the bag. What she says? I can't carry the bag. So what we will say about her? She, because she is a girl, isn't it? So the I becomes she. I becomes she. She cannot carry the bag. She cannot carry the bag. Can you understand, children, what she says? When I say I cannot carry, what you will say about me? She cannot carry, isn't it? She cannot carry. So what the girl says? I can't carry the bag. I can't carry the bag. What we will say about her? What we will say about her? She cannot carry the bag. Okay, children, she cannot carry the bag. Okay, can you understand, children? Yes. The next one is, look at the picture. Do you see the picture? The car is parked under the tree and a person is inside the car, isn't it? The car is parked under the tree and a person is inside the car. What he says? See, I can't start the car. What he says? I can't start the car. What we will say about her, about him? He cannot start the car. He cannot start the car. If the person is a boy, what we'll say? He cannot start the car, isn't it? So I becomes he. In this sentence, I becomes he. He cannot start the car. Okay, children, what the person says? I can't start the car, isn't it? I can't start the car. What we'll say? He cannot start the car. Okay, children, if I cannot do anything, I cannot do something, what I will say? I can't do this, isn't it? I can't do this. I can't do this. What you will say about me to someone? What you will say about me to someone? What do you say? She cannot do this, isn't it? She cannot do this. So like that. Here I becomes he. I can't start the car. Here he cannot start the car. What the person says? I can't start the car. What we will say about him to the next person, to someone? What we will say? He cannot start the car. He cannot start the car, isn't it? Can you understand, children? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. The remaining will be again home assignment for you. Okay, children? So finish all your home assignments. Do well. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.